my beautiful viewers. So today we are making a very yummy Malai Boti. It's so mouth-watering dish and you will love it. So let's get started. So I have chicken as two chicken breast. I cut into the cubes like big ones, and then I add 1 teaspoon of my meat tenderizer. And now I'm gonna tell you this is my green coriander, maybe half a bunch. I have 2 green chilies and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. I have 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I have 2 tablespoons ghee, like clarified butter. If you would like, you can use any oil if you would like. And I have half cup yogurt. Here I have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, and half teaspoon garam masala. And I have 1 tablespoon of milk powder. And this is optional. I want to make it more rich, so I'm going to use milk powder. But if you don't have any dry milk powder, then you can skip that. So here is my cream cheese, Philadelphia. I'm going to use half of it, so probably it's 100 grams. Our delicious Malai Boti is ready to eat. It looks so good and the smells so good. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. Until then, I'll see you next time with another more delicious recipes.